Oh, g'day. I'm Trevor. See, you found my fishing spot. Wasn't that much of a secret after all. Like that. Here, watch me catch a rock. Oh yeah, that got a couple. 5, 9 of them. That's a load of bullshit, I don't know how many.
1, 2, 3,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I'm on again. This one's an ultralight rod again. Oh, Queenfish. Nice one. Oh, and I do have 14-pound line on it. One to 3 kilo rod, ultralight. Just the thing you need for a queenfish. Don't jinx me. Every time I get the net out, before I get the fish close, something happens.
Not getting friendly, Trev. Just grabbing the rod so you got room.
Feels weird. Yeah, I'd have that net ready if I was you, Carl.
Already one step ahead here.
Oh,
Jumper.
oh, and he's playing. Come here, fella.
Right.
Oh, he's not giving up this one.
Oh, he's good size. Oh, I'm going, he says.
Come back here. He doesn't want to give up, does he?
Ah, okay.
Or is that a shark chasing him?
I don't know, I just looked like a fin thing, didn't it?
Yeah. Come here quickly.
Yep, got him.
Oh. I say that's one thing about fishing in the tropics. I got hit by the tax man. That's why he was taken off real weird. Well, I'll be. There might be sharks in there, fellas.
You think?
You think?
Bit overcrowded.
I think I'm just snagged. Yep, and I seem to be on. He was around a rock.
Oh yeah.
Cod. Gold spot estuary cod.
Yummy eating.
Yep, if they're of size, that one's a lot too small.
Yeah, he's a bit small, that one.
Yep. And off he goes.
Come on.
Fill up your bail thing. Yeah, keep him out of the rocks. And David reckons he doesn't catch fish. Another cod.
One of that?
Nah, just lift her up. Straight over Colin.
That's it. Dribble down the back.
Yeah, I'll take the hook out for you.
You're a good lad, Trev.
There.
Just watch that hook be
Hey?
on your rod.
Yeah. Oh, that's right, I've got this.
Alright.
Yeah.
Too small still.
Too small, yep. Nice fish though.
Hey,
Yeah.
getting bigger.
Yep. Chuck him back in. And off he goes. I'm getting bites.
Yeah, Trev.
Yep. And on.
That's the big one.
Hey. And another cod.
You're getting smaller.
Salted mullet. And off he goes. Where?
Oh, I'm on. Jimmy, you be a cod.
Another cod. Awesome. That's a nice one, Cole.
Yeah.
And we'll let him go. And off he goes. Oh, and David's on. Brim. Nice little brim. Bring her in. That's your tea.
That's a good size one. Eh?
That's a good size brim. Then we'll measure it, because that's your dinner. Measure her up.
Hang on, Gil.
And let's see. That's 32 centimetre. That's a good fish. Yeah, that'll be your dinner. It's catch dinner day today. Pull her in, Carl. You on? And what do we got? Oh, nice little cod. Yeah, too small. Let him go.
Yeah. We've got to keep all these sort of things. How am I going to feed this?
How are you going to feed us? And I seem to be on.
You on?
Yep, 10 down line. Salted prawn. Bit of salted mullet as well.
You on
Oh, I think I've on that one and this one. And he is at 28. Yep, he's legal.
You got dinner then?
Yep, that one's for dinner. And we seem to be on again. Feels fairly substantial. It is a cod.
Have you got one? Oh, look at that. I'll get it out of your way.
It is a cod. It is a nice cod.
Oh, yeah.
And oh no, that's 39. That's touching there, and that's 39. Yeah, there's your dinner. 39 centimetre cod. That's the third fish for dinner. Beautiful. That one's on.
Only a little one.
Yellowfin bream.
You fin down, mate, or you won't go back.
If you like what you see, please subscribe, click the bell for notifications and share if you like. You have a good day.